All right, today we're going to bring a mini blender, and this is a great blender to take on the go. So you're rushing out and you want to make your own smoothie, and you want to drink it on your way to work or driving to a distance, or maybe just enjoying it for the day. Very simple to put together. Out of the box, I recommend you just rinse it off. Just make sure that dust is not, particles are not sitting in there, or any of the packing dust. So make sure you're aware of that. Now they do give you a charger. You connect it here for charging, and the power on button, very simple to set up. Now it's a twist, and also on the bottom there is a silicone ring that you need to take off once in a while and wash it, because mold does grow underneath other stuff, and just make sure you're aware of that. That's another cleansing that you have to do. Your straws, they give you 2 silicone straws, so these are dishwasher proof, and also including with it the brush, so you could pass the brush right in through between the actual straws. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it works. Here, I forgot to mention that it's a safety mechanism. There's a magnet here that aligns with the actual bottom. So just be aware that if your blender does not turn on, it's because you haven't set it up the magnet properly. That's a good safety mechanism in case you have your kids or anybody working with it. You don't have to be worried that they take out the cap, it still works. All right, here's the alignment. The line has to be lining up. When you do line it up, it lights up just a little bit, right? So let's go ahead and set up our ingredients in here. All right, we're gonna actually add crushed ice. Is it easy to do with that?
Yeah, it's really well done for something so small and portable. It comes in multiple colors, but pink is my personal favorite.
Very simple to charge too. Make sure you charge it after you clean it. Now the bottom base is not waterproof. You got to make sure you separate that. But the best thing about it, it has a safety mechanism. It won't turn on. And it does have a cover, a silicone cover, where it has to be charged. So like that, it came with extra straws. That's a plus. I hope you guys enjoy the video.